Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to study the question bank of Karnataka First PUC Computer Science, Chapter 17, Web Designing. First, 1 mark question answers. What is Internet? Answer: Internet is the largest network of networks in the world. Mention any two uses of Internet. Answer: one can talk to anyone anywhere around the world, offers unlimited commercial opportunity to do business, can be used to play computer games. Mention any two services of the Internet. Answer: the main services of the Internet are email, voicemail, and chat. Expand www. Answer: www stands for World Wide Web. What is the World Wide Web? Answer: the World Wide Web is a complete set of documents present on all Internet servers that use the HTTP protocol, accessible to users via a simple point and click system. What is email? Answer: it is a system for exchanging written text, voice, and video messages through a computer network. What is voicemail? Answer: voicemail is a computerized system that enables support for answering and storing telephone call messages. The voicemail records and stores incoming messages, enabling playback of the messages from the same phone number or from another telephone. What is chatting? Answer: it is the online communication between two users connected through the internet and a sync computer. Here, one user can enter text by typing on the keyboard, and that will appear on the other's user monitor, and that person can reply. What are bulletin boards? Answer: it is an electronic message center where people can post public messages. Messages are placed on the computer so people can leave them for other people to read and see and later erase then when not required. What is a news group? Answer: a news group is an internet based discussion group. Users post messages to a news server, then other users can access the news group and read the postings and reply with their comments and views on that topic. Expand FTP. Answer: FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. Expand the term TCP or IP. Answer: the term TCP or IP means Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. What is FTP? Answer: it is a standard network protocol used to exchange and manipulate files over the internet. FTP is most commonly used to download a file from a server using the internet or to upload a file to a server. Define protocol. Answer: a specific set of communication rules is called a protocol. What is a telnet or remote login? Answer: this is a program that allows a user to access resources of a computer situated in a different location via a text based interface. What is Gooper? Answer: Gopher is a system that allows user of the internet to search for and retrieve information using a text interface via directory structure. Define web page. Answer: a web page is HTML document or resource of text, images and videos that is suitable for the World Wide Web. What is a website? Answer: website is a collection of web pages. Expand the term HTML. Answer: HTML means Hypertext Markup Language. Expand HTTP. Answer: the term HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Name the two kinds of web pages. Answer: the two kinds of web pages are static web pages and dynamic web pages. What is static web page? Answer: a web page that shows the same contents every time when they are viewed is called static web page. What is a dynamic web page? Answer: a web page that has contents that can change dynamically whenever they are mended and show to changed page when it is viewed is called dynamic web page. Expand the term XHTML. Answer: the term XHTML means Extensible Hypertext Markup Language. What is web browser? Answer: web browser is a software application program used to locate and display web pages. Write any two popular web browser. Answer. The most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer and Firefox. Expand the term DNS. Answer. The term DNS means Domain Name System. What is DNS? Answer. It is a name that identifies one or more IP addresses on the internet. Expand the term URL. Answer. URL means Uniform Resource Locator. What is a URL? Answer. URL is the address of a specific website or file on the internet. It cannot have spaces or certain other characteristics in its name and uses forward slashes to denote different directories. What are search engines? Answer. A web search engine is an automated software agent that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. What do you mean by surfing? Answer. The term surfing is a type of web browsing in which the user jumps from web page to web page at random. What is HTML? Answer. The language used to develop web pages is called HTML. What are tags? Answer. Tags are instructions that are embedded directly into the text of the HTML document. What are the different types of tags? Answer. The different types of tags are empty tags and container tags. What is an empty tag? Answer. It is a singular tag and does not have a companion tag. What is a container tag? Answer. HTML tags which require a closing tag are called container tag. What is the default extension file name for an HTML document? Answer. The default extension file name for an HTML document is HTM or HTML. Name any two formatting tags. Answer. Two formatting tags are B for bold text and I for italicizing text. Name the tag to break the line. Answer. The tag used to break the line is BR. Name the tag to insert the image in the HTML document. Answer. The tag to insert the image in a HTML document is IMG. Give the name of the tag used to hyperlink to web pages. Answer. The tag A is used to hyperlink the web pages. What are the two types of list? Answer. The two types of list are ordered list and unordered list. Name the tag used to apply the ordered list. Answer. The tag used to apply ordered list is OL. Name the tag used to apply an unordered list. Answer. The tag used to apply the unordered list is UL. What is the use of HR tag? Answer. The HR tag is used to insert a horizontal ruler line in an HTML document. Next are 2 or 3 marks question answers. First question. What is the history of the internet? Answer. In 1969, the American Department of Defense (DoD) started a network of devices called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Administration Network, with 1 computer in California and 3 in Utah. The actual term internet was coined in 1995 by FNC, Federal Networking Council, USA. What are the uses of internet? Answer. One can talk to anyone, anywhere around the world. Ocean of resources waiting to be mined. One can do research on any subject for a project. Online business, online reservation can be done sitting at in-home or workplace. Write the services of the internet. Answer. The services of the internet are email, chat, newsgroup, FTP, www, etc. Mention any 2 uses of email. Answer. Messages can be sent 24/7 at any convenient time that suits the user. Messages reach the recipient's mailbox within minutes. Delivery of messages can be confirmed. Mention a few disadvantages of email. Recipient must also be email user. Until a mailbox is checked, there is no way of knowing that a message has arrived. Need internet access and a modem along with the computer. What is voicemail? Explain. Answer. Voicemail messages are stored on hard disk drives, the media generally used by computers. Messages are recorded in digitized natural human voice. To retrieve messages, a user calls the system from any phone, logs on and their messages can be retrieved immediately. What is chat? Explain. Answer. It is online communication between two users through computer on the internet. Once a chat has been initiated, either user can enter text by typing on the keyboard and the entered text will appear on the other's user monitor. Most networks and online services offer a chat facility. What is a bulletin board? Explain. Answer. It is an electronic message center where people can post public messages. Messages are placed on the computer so people can leave them for other people to read and see. For example, it is used to advertise things to buy or sell and erase when the need is over, announce events or provide information. What is FTP? Mention its uses. It is a standard network protocol used to exchange and manipulate files over a TCP or IP based network such as the internet. FTP is most commonly used to download a file from a server using the internet or to upload a file to a server. What is the use of Telnet? Briefly explain. Answer. Telnet stands for Telecommunications Network and was built to be form of remote control to manage mainframe computers from distant terminals. Telnet is a text-only protocol and the user cannot see graphic or fancy images while working with Telnet, nor will they be able to transfer file with Telnet. Telnet is used to communicate with other computers and machines in a text-based manner. What is meant by web page and website? Answer. Web page is a HTML document or resource of text, images and videos that is suitable for the World Wide Web, while a website is a collection of web pages. What is a web browser? Name any two web browser. Answer. Web browser is a software application program used to locate and display web pages. The most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer and Firefox. What is URL? Give an example. Answer. It is the global address of documents and other resources on the World Wide Web. For example, http www.puc.com/index.html. The first part of the address is called protocol identifier and it indicates what protocol to use, and the second part is called a resource name and it specifies the IP address or the domain name where the resource is located. What is TCP or IP? Briefly explain. TCP is one of the main protocols in TCP or IP networks. While the IP protocol deals only with packets, TCP enables two hosts to establish a connection and exchange streams of data. TCP guarantees delivery of data and also guarantees that packets are delivered in the same order in which they are sent. What is HTTP? Briefly explain. Answer. It is the protocol used by the World Wide Web. HTTP defines how messages are formatted and transmitted and what action web servers and browsers should take in response to various commands. What is surfing? What is the use of a search engine? Answer. The term surfing is a type of web browsing in which the user jumps from a web page to a web page. A web search engine is an automated software agent that visit a website, read the information to search for specific information on the World Wide Web. Mention the basic tags of HTML. Answer. The basic tags of HTML are HTML, HEAD, TITLE and BODY. What are tags? Name the different types of tags. Answer. Tags are instructions that are embedded directly into the text of the HTML document. The different types of tags are empty tags and the container tags. Empty tag is a singular tag and does not have companion tag, whereas the container tag requires a closing tag. Briefly explain tags. Answer. The general format for a HTML tag is tag name affected text / tag name. The opening tag consists of just the tag name and it instructs the web browser to start tagging, formatting the text. The ending tag includes a / preceding the tag name. This / tells a web browser to stop the tagging the text. For example, B HTML tags B. Name the tools needed to create and view web pages. Answer: an HTML editor to create and save the HTML documents. Notepad or WordPad for Windows are examples of text editors. A web browser to view and test HTML documents. The most common and popular web browser are Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. Briefly explain any three formatting tags. Answer: bold text. You user can make bold text to emphasize information in the web page. Bold text is useful for introducing new terms and highlighting important phrases on the web page. Tag B some text slash B some text B slash display some text. Example: body B, this is a bold text slash B slash body. Underline text slash U. Define underlined word used to highlight. Tag U some text slash U some text slash U display some text. Example: body U, you can underline this text slash U slash body. Italicise text. Define italicized text makes data to appear as. Tag I some text slash I U some text slash I display some text. Example: body I, this is italicized text slash I slash body. How do web pages get linked? Give an example. Answer: user can link a word, phrase or image on one web page to another page on the web. User should ensure the text or image used for the link clearly indicates where the link will take the users. Example: here is the example. Next, 5 marks question answers. Write a short note on the internet. Answer: the internet is a worldwide network of computers connecting thousands and thousands of computers across the globe. It is formed by the joining of many smaller networks around the world to form the largest network in the world. In 1969, the American Department of Defense started a network of devices called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Administration Network, with one computer in California and 3 in Utah. The actual term internet was coined in 1995 by the FNC. The computers of the internet are connected through telephone lines, satellite links, modem, and through many other means. The internet consists of following application: World Wide Web, email, chatting, video conferencing, searching for information, online shopping and trade, education and research. Users of internet: one can talk to anyone anywhere around the world. Ocean of resources waiting to be mined. One can do research on any subject for a project. Online business, online reservation can be done sitting at home or workplace. Explain the different services of the internet. Answer: the services of internet are email, voicemail, chat, bulletin board, newspaper, FTP, www. etc. First, email. It is a system for exchanging return voice or video messages through computer network. Some uses of emails are as follows: messages can be sent 24/7 at any convenient time that suits the user. Messages reach the recipient's mailbox within minutes. Delivery of the messages can be confirmed. Next is voicemail. Voicemail messages are stored on hard disk drives, a media generally used by computers. Messages are recorded in digitized from of the natural human voice. To retrieve messages, a user calls the system from any phone, logs on, and their messages can be retrieved immediately. Next, chat. It is an online communication between two users through a computer on the internet. Once a chat has been initiated, either user can enter text by typing on the keyboard and the entered text will appear on the other's user monitor. Most networks and online services offer a chat facility. Next, bulletin board. It is an electronic message center where people can post public messages. Messages are placed on the computer so people can leave them for other people to read and see and erase when the need is over. It is used, for example, to advertise things to buy or sell, announce events, or provide information. Next is FTP.
It is a standard network protocol used to exchange and manipulate files over a TCP or IP based network such as the internet. FTP is most commonly used to download a file from a server using the internet or to upload a file to a server. Next is Telnet. Telnet stands for Telecommunications Network and was built to be a form of remote control to manage mainframe computers from distant terminals. Telnet is a text only protocol and the user cannot see graphics or fancy images while working with Telnet, nor will they be able to transfer file with Telnet. Telnet is used to communicate with other computers and machines in a text based manner. Next question. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of email. Advantages. Messages can be sent at whatever time of day which suits the user. Messages reach the recipient's mailbox within minutes. No need to speak to the recipient. Delivery of the messages can be confirmed. Copies of the message can be sent automatically to more recipient. Received messages can be read whenever it is convenient for the user. Incoming messages can be saved in one's computer. Email reduces paper usage for communication. Next is disadvantages. Recipients must also be email user. Junk mail may flood the mailbox, making it very uncomfortable. Until the mailbox is checked, there is no way of knowing that a message has arrived. One needs internet access and a modem along with the computer. If the user mails something that is written in anger or wrongly written, sent to a wrong person, there is no way to take it back. Next question. Write a short note on www, web page and website. www, World Wide Web. This is a system of internet servers that support specially formatted documents. The documents are formatted in a markup language called HTML, hypertext markup language that supports links to other documents as well as graphics, audio and video files. There are several applications called web browser that make it easy to access the World Wide Web. Three of the most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft's Internet Explorer. World Wide Web is not synonymous with the Internet. Next, web page. A web page is a document or resource of text, images, and videos that is suitable for the World Wide Web and can be accessed through a web browser and displayed on a computer screen. Web pages may consist of files of static text stored within the web server's file system, or the web server may construct the HTML for each web page when it is requested by the browser. Next is web browser. It is a software application used to locate and display web pages. The most popular browsers are Google Chrome, Microsoft Internet Explorer, and Firefox. They are graphical browsers, which mean that they can display graphics as well as text. In addition, most modern browsers can present multimedia information including sound and video. Next question. Write a short note on HTML and HTTP. Answer. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It is the main language used to create document on the World Wide Web. It allows images and objects to be embedded and can be used to create interactive forms. It is written in the form of HTML elements consisting of tags surrounded by angle bracket within the web page content. Next is Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. It is the underlying protocol used by the World Wide Web. HTTP defines how messages are formatted and transmitted, and what actions web servers and browsers should take in response to various commands. For example, when you enter a URL in your browser, this actually sends an HTTP command to the web server, directing it to fetch and transmit the requested web page. Next question. Explain the structure of a HTML document. Answer. Web pages include both the text that we want to display and HTML tags to web browsers. A web page is marked by an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag is divided into following major section: head section, body section. A web page outline containing the following three sections and the opening and closing HTML tags is illustrated below. Here is a head section, Then body section. The head section is defined with a starting HEAD tag and a closing /HEAD tag. This section is usually contain a title for the web page as shown below. The text enclosed in the tags title and /title will appear in the title bar of the web browser when it displays the page. Body section. After the head section comes the body section. We call this as body section because this section contains the entire information about the web page and its behavior. We can set up many options to indicate how our page must appear on the screen, like color, location, etc. Shown below is a simple body section. The body shown above contains instruction to display the message. Welcome to the world of web paging. Next question. Write a short note on list tag. Answer. The list tag is used to apply numbers and symbols to a list of values. The tag name LI. The LI tag defines a list item. The LI tag is used in ordered list, unordered list, and is menu list. For example, here is the list tags. So this is about your notes of computer science lesson. If you want the notes of more lessons, kindly check the playlist of my channel. Thank you.